safe is very important to us. So when we were looking for a home security system, we were looking for one that had high definition cameras.
Something that didn't have a lot of wires.
And cameras that we could put up discreetly throughout the house. And when we found Arlo, the choice was a no-brainer. Installation was very simple.
Because it doesn't require any cords, we can get creative about where we put it. We can just move them to keep an eye on our baby.
You have the batteries that are long-lasting, so I can have it installed outside. You get email alerts, and it works with motion sensors. When we go on vacation, we always know that we can stay connected and know what's going on with the house. So Arlo gives us peace of mind at work and at night. Arlo has definitely made an impact in our lives.
It's really made being safe simple.
At the top of its class, the B970 packs all the premier features to meet your family's everyday needs. Always stay in touch with home, even while you're away, with built-in Wi-Fi and the industry-leading MyQ app. A tap is all it takes to close the garage door from anywhere, and an instant alert reassures you that it's actually closed. Stand up to extreme weather, from sizzling heat waves to freezing cold spells, with maximum lift power. Even when the power's out, you'll still be able to get in and out thanks to battery backup. For peace and quiet, the extra strong belt drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free. And you'll be able to quickly come and go with Tri-Band Technology's superior remote range. To give your family more ways to access the garage, the B970 comes with convenient accessories right in the box. With our simple how-to videos, it's easy to get everything up and running in no time. For the solution that's got it all, you can't beat the B970.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmartAlarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing, and in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple Spots, and with the entire iSmartAlarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately, you're up and running. We call it Surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network and just as easily revoke it. And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you. Speed, safety, security.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. You can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna. Stop break-ins before they happen.
Skybell is a Wi-Fi enabled digital doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to the person at your door no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Looks like a solicitor.
That's okay. The babysitter will get the call.
When a visitor presses the button, Skybell sends an alert to everyone in your family, and each person can choose to accept or ignore the call. If you answer it, you'll see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi, Kate, it's me.
Hi, Sarah. So happy you're here. Come on in, I'm in the kitchen.
Skybell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door. Skybell's motion sensor can detect when someone is front of the door, even if they don't press the button. A rotatable camera and invisible night vision technology helps you see your visitor at night without them knowing. The on-demand feature lets you open the live video feed at any time and look out your Skybell camera directly from the app.
Oh, hey, I'll be there in just a sec.
Together, these smart features provide you with more convenience, safety, and control over answering your door.
When I'm home alone and the doorbell rings, it can be unsettling and kind of inconvenient. With Skybell, I can see who's on the other side before I even answer the door.
The idea was born from everyday situations. I mean, don't you wish you could know who's at the door before you stop what you're doing to answer it? Want to see who's there when you're not home but the kids are? And what about when it's dark? Well, we're making all that possible, and we're doing it with minimal design and cutting-edge technology. So how does it work? Oh, hold on, someone's at my door. Hey, John.
Hey, Andrew. Want to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm already down here. Why don't you come down to our usual spot?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Installing Skybell is easy. Simply remove your old doorbell and attach the same 2 wires to Skybell. Secure the device to the wall with 4 screws and use the security set screw to secure the device to the mounting plate. Only you can remove the device once it's installed, and your home's doorbell chime will still work.
Skybell connects to your home's Wi-Fi and you receive the feed over Wi-Fi, 3G, and 4G LTE. The front features a button, day and night vision camera, microphone, and advanced motion sensor. The cover is made of hardened plastics that won't rust or interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's rugged and it'll work in harsh conditions. Skybell works internationally with the world's most common power standards, and it's compatible with G, N, and B wireless networks. Skybell is made in the USA, right here in Southern California.
We all want to be able to protect what's important to us. But it's not always easy. And sometimes it's downright dangerous. That is until now. The gun box is the ideal way to defend responsibly. The gun box keeps your handgun safe while allowing you quick, convenient access when you need it most. The gun box is built tough. It's die cast using aircraft-strength aluminum alloy with a tensile strength of over 24,000 psi and a melting temperature of over 1,000 degrees. The gun box opens using your RF signature, your biometric signature, or if you want, a combination of both. You can charge your phones, tablets, and other devices using the 2 USB ports on the back. Beneath the Premier model's tough aluminum exterior, you'll find other innovative features, like the Gunbox Auto Alert System, which will send notifications directly to your phone in the event that your gun box is tampered with. And if your gun box is stolen, you can track it in real time with the equipped GPS technology. Safe storage, quick access. The Gun Box. Defend responsibly.